ChatGPT is all the rage with its Ghibli-style images, and today I'm showing you how I made this POV video. We'll follow a cartoon character in Ghibli style as they tour France, from the Paris temple to bustling streets. We'll even see them chatting with friends, riding a bus, and ending the day with dinner before bed. Hit subscribe and turn on notifications so you won't miss my upcoming videos. Let's dive in. So I started by opening a new ChatGPT tab and asked it to create a POV short video with a Studio Ghibli-style character touring France. I asked for 5 different POV-style images, and ChatGPT delivered, with each image featuring a consistent character, same bag, same outfit. From walking Parisian streets to hanging out with friends, everything stayed on point. I even had our character hop on a bus to his hotel and end the day making dinner. The consistency is impressive. Now, if you've got these images, just download and save them. We'll be using Kling AI to turn them into a video. Alright, once you're in Kling AI, click on Video, and start uploading each image you generated. For the first image, I used the prompt, "A guy walking towards the Louvre," and it nailed it. Kling AI lets you choose video lengths from 3 to 10 seconds, so I generated each scene. After uploading, you enter a prompt, hit Generate, and voila. The results were fantastic. For example, here's our guy enjoying a drink with friends, his expressions full of life. There's also a scene of him on the bus heading to the hotel, and a final shot of him making dinner before bed. If you want to try these prompts, I'll drop them in the description below or check out my Telegram for more. Once everything was set, I used CapCut to stitch the scenes together and add sounds. I prefer CapCut on my phone, so I'll show you how I edit there. Now, in CapCut, upload your videos. Head to Audio, then Sound Effects, to find the perfect sounds like footsteps for the Louvre scene. Keep adding effects for each clip. Next, add some smooth transitions, and, if you want, subtitles. For music, go to Songs for copyright-free tracks. CapCut's mobile app is super user-friendly. Once you're done, just hit Export and save it to your phone. If you want a detailed CapCut tutorial, let me know in the comments and I might make a separate video. Once you save, you'll have a video ready to go viral on Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube Shorts. Pick your niche, post consistently, and watch your content blow up. If you enjoyed this tutorial, subscribe, turn on notifications, and follow me on TikTok for more. See you next time.